Who doesn't want to make money? And who doesn't want to make money online? And who doesn't want to make it with simply downloading a GIF? Yes, you heard it right. Just a GIF can make you earn $600. For users of Facebook, Twitter, and other social media messaging sites, GIF images have become ubiquitous and are increasingly used as a form of expression. For example, instead of using the internet slang LOL for laughing out loud, a user could attach a GIF video clip of someone laughing hysterically. Hello everyone and welcome to a new EarnPal. In today's video, we'll talk about all the online earning GIFs and how you can earn up to $600 by downloading them. We've a lot to cover, so let's get started without wasting any more time. So the question arises, what is online earning and how do I earn it? Basically, it's similar to a job too, but it's over the internet. So all you need is your laptop or any device connected to the internet and do what you're asked and get paid for it. There's several ways to make money. The truth is, there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day. From freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs, there are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. Like start dropshipping. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. If you're unfamiliar with the term dropshipping, it's a business model in which you sell a product to a client, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. With or below dropshipping, you may choose from millions of products to sell on your website. Or below's toolbox also allows you to handpick product photos, change item descriptions, and customize your business so that customers like shopping with you. Try print on demand. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. There are 2 slight differences though. First, you can add branded labels on packages, which is great for brand recognition. Second, shipping costs are quite expensive, making it difficult to create a sustainable business unless you charge higher prices or sell higher quantities. But you have great suppliers in US, Canada, or Europe, like Printify or Printful, to get started right away and reach your dream of creating your own clothing line or make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Some start a YouTube channel. We did that too. You can make money via YouTube if others can. Ryan, a 7-year-old YouTuber who reviews products on his channel and earned $22 million in 2018, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jeffree Star, who has made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics line that sells nearly $100 million in items each year, is another top earner. His YouTube and MySpace celebrity enabled him to leverage his clout to earn money online in addition to his YouTube profits. Create an online course. Sharing knowledge is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have your own audience, on your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay for them. There's also an endless variety of websites dedicated to each type of freelancing job. Freelance writers, for example, can apply for employment on specialist online writing jobs boards, as well as general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your employment doesn't offer you direct online money-making opportunities, check for other transferable abilities you may have. But what's even more easier? Downloading GIFs. So what are GIFs? According to Wikipedia, it's a bitmap image format that was developed by a team at the online services provider CompuServe, led by American computer scientist Steve Wilhite, and released on 15th June 1987. It has since come into widespread usage on the World Wide Web due to its wide support and portability between applications and operating systems. A GIF adds the necessary context to the post that is needed to connect with the reader. GIF, if used correctly, tell a complete story and can make the reader relate to the given content in a much deeper level. Using GIFs in certain aspects of your social media and content marketing can help increase their effectiveness. Because of the way the brain works, information presented within or alongside GIFs will be retained more easily by consumers because of its association with the GIF. The idea of GIFs driving action also makes them an attractive addition to email newsletter campaigns. Whether you're using something pulled from Jiffy or something created on your own, GIFs in email campaigns can be used as call to actions, make them more attractive and make them stand out more. GIFs can help your brand become more personable. One of the finest practices for successful social media is to engage with your community via social media. It makes your brand more approachable, which encourages more people to interact with it. Interaction, in turn, encourages the growth of your community by introducing you to the communities of others with whom you're interacting through their timelines. They're not only fun, but also effective, so there's a reason that you will earn that $600 by downloading one. Jiffy, a startup company, is now bringing GIFs to the masses with its large searchable database, which receives tens of millions of visitors each month. Jiffy is on the approach of becoming the next content media king, as GIFs gain in popularity among social media users and advertisers. Facebook loved the service so much that it bought Jiffy for $400 million in May 2020 and plans to integrate it into its Instagram and Messenger platforms. Jiffy has been busy lining up licensing deals with media producers and music companies to become a major content distribution company. With 700 million daily visitors, Jiffy has already attracted advertisers ready to get into the GIF creation team. Between the search engine and the complete social integration of its content, Jiffy will have no problem lining up content and advertising partners. As much as easy it seems to earn money online, it certainly comes with a lot of risks that you shouldn't totally ignore. The internet is a great place, but at the same time, it can be harmful too. Be careful not to waste your hard work and effort on something you aren't sure about. The internet is a great place to make a little extra cash, but like any investment you make, there's always a risk. Be smart, do your research, and you can make a decent living with the internet as a medium. Don't sign up with any website that requires a fee for accessing paid online surveys. Look for privacy statements and disclaimers. Read them carefully. The harder a website defends itself as not a scam, the more likely it is a scam. Search for posts about the company on sites like scam.com and ripoffreport.com. Trust your gut. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. That's it for today, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What do you think about this earning? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.